Look what I just found, Patrick. I can't believe I found them. These are the elevators in Scaife Hall. Look. We're going to be riding this up to 12, and then we're going to go back down to, we're going to go up to 12 and then back down to 9. Because I have a special treat for you guys on, we got this one. Look what they did, Pat. They modernized them almost to go up to 12. These are really nice elevators. Let's just enjoy. This is the 12th floor. Let's go down to 9. I've got a special treat for you guys. Let's go over here. What we have in here. That's right. It's the freight elevator. We're only going to take one ride on it, up to 11. This elevator is very busy. Up here it is. Alright, let's go to 11. Westinghouse. 11. Right behind the other ones. Alright, this is the service area. And there it goes. And that is it.